Hello, welcome. This explain that this how to make your own sound in TikTok. So open up your any editing app that you want to use in this portion of the video. So what we're going to do is incorporate our own sound into our own video. So for example, in this museum footage that I have, you can just tap on the sounds, your device for some instructions to yourself, or just do the presetted one on CapCut. So after that, just tap on export on it and then go to TikTok directly. Tap on the plus icon in the middle. And after that, just tap on the upload and then tap on the video that you already exported on. So after that, just tap on next and then just post it just like any other TikTok video that you had. So after confirming, wait for it to finish uploading. After that, just tap on the profile section, go to the TikTok video, tap on the circle moving in the bottom right, and you'll be able to see there you can edit out your sound, titles, and even add it to your favorites and use this as a sound. And that should be it.